Yasmine Talk. Today marks 15 years, 9 months, 22 days since I first laid eyes on you. 13 years, 5 months, and 11 days since you became my girlfriend. 3 years, 5 months, 12 days since you became my fiance. After today, I get the opportunity to call you my wife. You are the best thing in my life, so thankful that you're mine. I'll lift you up when you're feeling low, hold you when the night gets cold. You'll never have to be alone. And I hope more than anything that you're planning to stay for a million days, because I fell in love with my best friend, and that's all you need to know.
Randy, babe, baby, mi amor, aşkım, and I. All the languages in this world put together don't have enough words to describe the love that I have for you. I promise to never give up on us and say yes to every adventure as long as it's with you. I promise to be your safe space and the best wife I can possibly be every single day. Am Yuan Jaum Gua Am.
With this ring,
I thee wed.
I thee wed.
With this ring,
I thee wed.
I thee wed.
Randy, you may kiss the bride.
We wish them love, happiness, and a beautiful life together. Thank you for coming and celebrating with us.
To every single one of you, near and far, family and friends, old bonds and new ones, we want to say thank you. You're not just guests at our wedding, you are the fabric of our lives. Thank you so much.
Please raise your glass with me to Yasmine and Randy, to a lifetime of love, partnership, and happiness.
Yas, thank you for taking care of my best friend. But even more so, for loving him exactly how he is. I love you both, and I'm so damn happy for both of you.
And I'm confident that no matter what the future holds for you two, you'll be able to navigate it together. And I think I speak for all of us when I say we're so grateful to witness the beginning of what will be a beautiful marriage.